Today I have chest opening and heart space. Welcome to day 6 of your 7-day yoga challenge. Today we'll gently open the chest and heart space. Sit tall and place your hands on your chest or belly. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale. Feel your shoulders soften and allow your chest to expand. Inhale and exhale. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Lift your chest gently towards the sky. Take a deep breath into your heart area. Let the front of your body brighten and open. Keep your jaw soft. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale, open your chest forward into cow pose. Exhale, align your spine into cat pose, moving at your own pace. Let the movement massage the front of your chest and the space between your ribs. Come into Sphinx pose, lower onto your belly, bring your elbows under your shoulder, press gently into your forearms and lift your chest forward and up. Breathe into your heart space, feel your collarbone widen. Come into melting heart pose from hands and knees. Walk your hands forward and melt your chest toward the ground. Let your heart drop gently. Let your breath move freely. With every exhale, soften a little more. Sit on your heel or cross your legs. Place your right hand behind you and open your chest to the right. Keep your shoulders soft. Breathe into your heart space. Switch side. Slowly release. Place both your hands over your heart. Close your eye and breathe slowly. Feel the walls beneath your palms. Feel the openness you created. Inhale and exhale. Thank yourself for showing up today. Namaste.